Hello guys, this is a quick review of this multimeter. As you can see here, you can measure volts, so alternate volts, continue volts, and also resistance. Pretty easy to use, you just need to get the leads. There's the color here, there's no way to get it wrong. So black here and red, and you're ready to go. Just choose the scale, let's say 200 or 500 volts, for example. Here it's alternate, right? Then let me just get something here, like this power strip. Then I can measure it. So here, if I try to reach, it's not long enough, as you can see here. I tried that before and it doesn't work because I can't reach it. But if I remove it here, I can do it, right? So let me just put here. Be careful not to touch them where they're inside. And you see here, 118 volts. So it measures pretty good. For simple tasks, you can also measure here batteries. If you change here to continuous, you change and measure batteries and also resistance, and it works pretty good, okay? So it's a simple device to get the job done. It works and I recommend it.